Hey, I heard you were a wild one. Ooh.
Reggae Nation, you heard it, but not from Sia. This is actually Stayc Reign, who was performing with Flo Rida in an absolutely thrilling performance at Reggae Sumfest International Night #1, Friday, July 26th. Stacey, welcome to Jamaica.
Thank you for having me.
How was the performance?
Oh, it was great. So much energy from the crowd. It was lovely. I loved it.
Okay, we understand that you've been touring with Flo Rida for the past year, and you're signed to his label International Music Group. Will you be issuing an album for yourself shortly?
I am. I'm actually working in the studio right now when I'm not on the road, trying to figure out what I'm going to put on there. So it's in the works.
We saw where Sia herself tweeted on Twitter that you have her blessings in performing this song, and you totally took it tonight. Is this your signature?
I think my hair is my signature rather. But a lot of people, I didn't actually see the tweet, but a lot of people were telling me, and I thought that was really dope that she said that. So it was awesome.
Okay, how has the experience been in Jamaica?
Oh, it's great. It's only my second day, and I don't want to leave.
Please don't. We have to. Okay, what's up for next year for Stacey Reign?
Oh, next year? A lot. I don't know yet, but a lot is in store, so big surprises.
Okay, thanks for talking to iReggae Nation. iReggae Nation speaking with Stacey Reign, that's REIGN, don't get it twisted. Performed with Flo Rida on International Night #1 at Reggae Sumfest 2013. iReggae Nation, rocking to the reggae vibration.